Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get paid hourly on DoorDash as a driver. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to get paid hourly instead of per order. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Dasher app. Next, on the left-hand side, you're going to see an hourglass icon. Now, if you click on that, this is basically going to be the toggle between an hourly pay or an order pay. Now, keep in mind that this depends on your location, whether they offer hourly pay or not, but that is essentially how to get paid hourly on the DoorDash app as a driver. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.